Casinos are designed to keep you playing, but what's behind their addictive power? From slot machines to roulette tables, every aspect is carefully crafted to engage. Variable rewards are a key component, making each one a thrilling surprise. Environment design also plays a crucial role, with neon lights and sounds stimulating excitement. Loyalty systems reward consistent players, fostering a sense of commitment and belonging. Loss framing is another tactic, where losses are reframed as near wins to encourage continued play. Casinos use psychology to their advantage, understanding human behavior and exploiting it. The casino floor is a masterclass in attention economics, where every detail is optimized for engagement. Playing cards and chips are more than just props, they're tools to facilitate the gaming experience. Slot machine lights and sounds are designed to trigger dopamine releases, creating a feedback loop. Night entertainment districts thrive on the energy of casinos, creating an immersive experience. Casinos have perfected the art of hiding the true cost of playing, making it difficult to track spending. The house always wins, but casinos make it feel like you're in control, which is a clever illusion. By understanding these tactics, you can make more informed decisions about your gaming habits. Casinos will continue to evolve and adapt, finding new ways to keep players engaged in spending. The psychology of money is complex, and casinos have mastered the art of manipulating it. From loyalty cards to VIP programs, every aspect of the casino experience is designed to retain players. The hidden systems at play in casinos are fascinating, and understanding them can be empowering. Casinos are not just places to gamble, they're sophisticated businesses with a deep understanding of human psychology. The next time you step into a casino, remember that the environment is designed to keep you playing. Be aware of the tactics used to manipulate your behavior, and make conscious decisions about your gaming habits. Casinos may seem like places of chance, but they're actually carefully crafted to produce specific outcomes. The intersection of psychology, environment design, and loyalty systems creates a powerful cocktail of engagement. Casinos have spent decades perfecting their craft, and it shows in their ability to retain players. The dark business of casinos is a fascinating topic, and there's much to learn from their tactics. By exploring the hidden systems at play, we can gain a deeper understanding of the psychology of money. Casinos may not be the most transparent businesses, but their strategies are undeniably effective. The use of variable rewards, environment design, and loyalty systems is a potent combination. Casinos have become experts at creating an immersive experience, drawing players in and keeping them engaged. The casino industry is a multi-billion-dollar market, and its influence extends far beyond the gaming floor. Understanding the tactics used by casinos can help you make more informed decisions about your finances. The psychology of money is a complex and fascinating topic, and casinos have mastered its manipulation. Casinos are not just places to gamble, they're also entertainment venues, restaurants, and hotels. The overall experience is designed to be enjoyable, which is what keeps players coming back for more. From the casino floor to the hotel room, every aspect of the experience is optimized for engagement. Casinos have become adept at using data to inform their decisions, creating a highly personalized experience. The use of technology has revolutionized the casino industry, enabling more efficient and effective operations. Casinos are constantly evolving, incorporating new games, technologies, and strategies to stay ahead. The future of the casino industry is exciting, with new innovations and developments on the horizon. Casinos will continue to play a significant role in the entertainment and hospitality industries. By understanding the hidden systems at play, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity of the casino industry. The psychology of money is a powerful force, and casinos have harnessed its power to create a highly engaging experience. Casinos are not just places to gamble, they're also complex businesses with a deep understanding of human behavior. The next time you visit a casino, Remember that the environment is designed to keep you playing, and be aware of the tactics used to manipulate your behavior. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.